Today we are Navotas Green Growth Cooperative. We are located at Barangay Liqueas, Taundara, Navotas City. Promote sustainable development and environmental gain.
Unites local cooperatives and individuals that benefit both people and the community.
Good day, my name is John Real, President of Real Multi-Purpose Cooperative, proud to be member of Navotas Green Growth Cooperative Union.
Good day, I'm Rachel Santelientes, President of Healthcare Cooperative, proud member of Navotas Green Growth Cooperative Union.
Good day everyone, I'm Michelle Dalina, President of Prime Care Health Cooperative, proud member of Navotas Green Growth Cooperative Union.
Hi, I'm Abigail Valero, the President of the NGSCCS Cooperative, proud member of the Navotas Green Growth Cooperative Union.
Good day everyone, I am Denay Sunognita, President of Pabahay Cooperative, proud member of Navotas Green Growth Cooperative Union.
Our mission to empower Navotas communities through sustainable livelihood, green business initiative, and strong cooperative partnership that promote inclusive growth and environmental stewardship.
Our vision, a sustainable and eco-friendly Navotas where every citizen enjoy sustainable livelihood, opportunity, resilient green industry, and a prosperous environment for future generations.
So our purpose in Cooperative Union is aim to foster inclusive economic growth and environmental sustainability through cooperative action and green innovation.
The Navotas Green Growth Cooperative Union, or NGGCU, empowers the community through sustainable employment and environmental stewardship. It also encourages waste reduction, recycling to create a cleaner and more resilient Navotas.
Our goal in Navotas Green Growth Cooperative Union is to advance environmental awareness and sustainable living in Navotas. It's a strive to build a community that works together for a greener and healthier future.